Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Thank you for joining me. Today I wanted to do a quick DIY bookmark. I haven't been able to find any bookmarks that really bring me joy. I have a couple William Morris ones that I like, but I just wanted something else. I look at the bookstores, I just don't see anything that really interests me, that really catch my eye. And I'm like, you know what? I can make these myself. I did a little bit of browsing on Pinterest. I got a little bit of inspo, but for the most part, I know I needed some cardstock, some stickers, or stamps, some string, hole punch, and just some creativity. So I came up with a couple easy ones. I kind of repeated the design with a couple different styles, but I do have intentions to try other methods. Let me show you what I did for this video. First, I grabbed one of my existing bookmarks that I'm going to use as a template. This one just has basic curved corners. I did see some other hole punches that can give you kind of a three-tiered arch top that just cuts out just like that, which is really cool. I'd like to look into that. But for now, I thought this would be an easy process. So all I did was trace it. I just bought some Dollar Tree craft scissors. They were nice and sharp. They were very easy to cut through this. I didn't have any issues with fraying on the side. It cut very nice and the corners were easy to cut. And then I bought the hole punch at Dollar Tree. I got the stickers, but I'm sure any kind of sticker would work. I got the craft paper off Amazon, and I did try some laminate sheets later on in the video that I also got from Amazon. Trying to come up with a color scheme that I want to use for my very first bookmark. The only thing is you kind of can see the clear edge of the sticker. I could always cut back and make a tighter sticker with some of the white cut out. I didn't do that for this purpose. I just wanted to experiment and see how they looked. You could kind of cut away more of that clear side so it's not as visible. I went with a brown cardstock for the first time doing this because I knew I had these floral botanical stickers I wanted to use and try out for this DIY. I just kind of went with that natural organic look. There is tons of different cardstock options that you can choose from as a starting point with different graphics on them, and then you can mix and match whatever kind of tassels, string, whatever attachments you want to add to that. And if you go on Pinterest and look up scrapbooking ideas, you can go down a huge rabbit hole of tons of good inspiration. So here I am still just trying to come up with some ideas, what color patterns I want to do. I did the front and then I'm also doing the back. So the first one I did stacked, I think, on both sides. And then I kind of played around with the placement on some of the other ones. I think on some of them I just did like single flowers on the back, and yeah, that's cute. I like that. So as I was picking through the flowers on this one, I found the 3 flowers on the right that I was already planning looked really good together for another design. So I kind of kept those to the side, finishing off this one, which looks really cute. But the one to the right I thought was like really moody. So that was going to be one of my next ones that I do. So I just grabbed this bin that I just recently picked up. I dumped all of these ribbon that I also had just picked up. It was a big bag of ribbon in all of these brown muted tones. I had other string around the house. I had twine. I know I had some different yarns and probably other ribbons in all sorts of places that I'd have to search my craft supplies in the garage for. But since I had just bought these, they were out and handy. I was excited to try them out. I did realize that certain ones worked better than the others. As you'll be able to see, the red one is a lot more flexible, and some of the other colors I pick are a little firmer, so they weren't as movable. I enjoyed actually the more flexible look a little better. I thought I felt more girly, a little more flowy. So if I was intentionally picking out some ribbon for this project, I would go for more of a flexible material. I thought it was easier to work with. I thought it was really pretty. It'd be easy to, you can make them long. You can tuck them in on a separate page as the bookmark or hang over the edge. The firm ones looked really cute as I styled them as bows and held up. So there was a little more clean cut looking, but I really enjoyed the floppy, whimsical, movable feel of the light ribbon, which you see here with this like reddish color that I have. This was probably one of my favorite ones as far as the ribbon goes. I have to admit, my intentions were better on this one than how it ended up turning out. I didn't think about the pop-up sticker making the laminate bubble. I didn't like the way that turned out. It kind of drove me crazy. And then I didn't cut the laminate long enough for an overhang. So once I laminated both sides, they didn't stick together, so I still had to glue them. So it wasn't the finest of them all, but it still turned out cute in color, but it could have been done better.